another day in Penang, our first official morning.
We are doing a cooking class. Now we're meeting up with our tour guide at the market. So we're going to see the wet market today too.
Yes, if I didn't mention it, yesterday was my birthday and Mark booked this cooking class for us. I'm really excited because we are learning how to cook inside roti canai.
Yeah, some Malaysian Indian food. The ingredients there. So we're exploring.
Oh, right there. Okay, cool. Okay, get across the street. How do we miss this? We didn't see this. Oh, it smells so good. It smells durian. We passed by this place yesterday and we totally missed the market. What? Oh, this is the market. I see food stalls down there. You have to come back here later. I see rambutan, lansones, mangosteen. Wow, it's really busy here. 8 o'clock in the morning. Everybody does their shopping early in the morning before it gets too hot. Oh, Mark. It's ginger flower.
The difference is that the ginger flower. Now, once it's open, we don't use it anymore.
Yeah.
So I try to support all of them if I could.
Hi.
Mapo high.
Oh, thank you.
So he has all the spices ready, and usually the old aunties and what we call it,
Uncle or Tito?
uncle and titas, they will
Yeah.
come here, and let's say they want to get, they will tell him I want the spices for chicken curry for 10 person. He will prepare all the spices for them on every individual.
So like if I say I want laksa?
Yes.
According to the portion of the fish you're gonna cook with it.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Yes.
Boleh?
You need to let him know, let's say 1
Okay.
kg, 2 kg, prepare the spices for you.
The seed, that blend it.
Should it be?
Then the rest will be onion, ginger, garlic, galangal, lemongrass. Everything we are blended. So we are mixing it up according to the portion you're gonna cook.
So are they all individual ones right now?
Yeah.
Oh, and then, wow.
Today, I want you to be a bit surprised by the people around here, the locals. Very hidden spot.
This is the beginning of our cooking class. At first, he's bringing us around the wet market, and then after the wet market, he brought us to the food court. It's like a local food court. Not a lot of tourists know about it. If there are tourists here, it's because some of the locals have brought them here.
The kaya with the
Kaya.
Oh, it's a taste of butter.
Yes, it needs to go with the. If you open up later when you eat it, and you open up before you eat it, if you open up, there's a green paste inside the coconut jam. What you eat with, you want to eat with is the butter on top. You can open it up and check, look into it.
What's in this one?
This one, please open up inside. It's Chinese pancake. Peanut, there's a little bit sweet corn, a little bit of butter, and there's no salt inside, but because it's salted butter, so you can give it a try, and you taste it yourself. It's like peanut butter, but it's corny and thick.
Cumin seed and a cinnamon.
Oh, that smells so good. We're making sambal. Ooh. Tangy. Ooh, spice. Wow.
Yeah.
This is what I like about Malaysian food. There's so many layers of flavor. Yeah. There's like sweet, a little sour, and then spicy. This takes a lot of concentration, Mark.
all together. Cardamom. William here. And he likes it.
He likes this.
Yeah, I don't know if I could be a cashew cutter. So for tea, we have a black pepper, 30 to 40 pieces. Ginger, 1 inch. Cinnamon, just a cardamom for the flavor. The spiciness is a 5 level lah.
What are you making?
Roti canai. This is amazing. Oh no, one bite. Great. Okay, another time is okra. Little bit of it. Enjoy it and dip with the dhal. One bite also. A bit of chili.